Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2004 Infiniti G35, and we are going to be replacing the hood. As you can see, it's crashed right there. I got my daughter's mother, she's going to help me, and we did get one almost the same color. It might be the same color or not, but we gotta wait until it's nice and clean. So we are going to be replacing it at this moment, and I'm excited about it because I'm almost finished this car. So I'm gonna lift it up and we're gonna start removing it. So here we go, my friends. We got 4 nuts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're gonna have to have somebody hold the hood for you, and my daughter's mother's gonna be holding it. And you're gonna need, I'm gonna be using an impact gun with a 12mm socket. You need a long one. The reason why is because it's a screw. So my hope is that these hinges are not bent from the impact, that I don't have to remove the hinges. So here we go. I'm gonna start. When you do it, make sure you cover your battery. Make sure it's in. 1, 2. Hold it, just hold it. Now you can wait. Hold it tight, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, this one I can't take it out like that. This one I can, so I'm gonna have to use a socket for that one. Yep. Oh, you're covering the camera. For this one, you're gonna need your ratchet. You gotta make sure you have it holding there, that it don't hit the window. So now, take it off the latch, right there. Now bring it down. You gotta make sure you just pull it up the hinges right there. There you go. There goes your hood. So I'll be right back with the other one. So what we're gonna do is, pick it up. We're gonna put the bars from the hood right in those holes right there. So you need 2 people for this. So what we're gonna do is just gonna pick it up and try to put them right in there. And this is what you're trying to put in there. Just point to the 2 hinges so they can see them. Point them. Those 2 things right there, you're gonna put them right in there like that. Make sure you have 2 people doing this. And you just start putting the screws. I should have gave her the other 2 screws. Did I leave the 2 screws over there?
I don't see them.
Oh, they're over here. Here. Put those 2 in there. While she's doing that,
Mommy!
there you go. I gotta bring it down a little bit. You got it? Alright, so you're probably gonna have to come over here and not go over there. There you go.
Mommy!
Put the other one in, the other screw in before that one. Go right in the hole, put that one. Right in there. Let them see your hair's in the way.
Sorry. He's always in my way.
Alright, come over here, hold it right here. In the middle. Right quick. only one that doesn't fit with the impact gun. So what you want to do, you don't want to go too tight first. Just put them in there. You don't want to go too tight because you want to make sure that it locks right in. So what I'm going to do, because they still loose, I just want to make sure that it closes up pretty good. If it doesn't, I just make my adjustments according to that. Yep. So, just as I thought. It should be somewhere right here. Okay. That's not bad, girl. Not bad for a rookie. Not bad for a rookie. You're gonna have to make some minor adjustments, maneuvering up and down, and make sure you screw this in. So eventually, I'm gonna have to replace the hinges. But at this time, it's nothing major. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. It's because of the car hit in the front. It hit in the front, so it bent the hinges in there. So I'm just going to show you what's going on here. Okay, now that they're tight, you're going to see, I'm going to show you what's going on here. Thing is, the hood looks good. The closes good. Very good here. But I just want to show you here. You see how it's lifted up here? Right here. Let me see if I can get you closer to this. Right here. So from the impact, it picked this up, and also it bent the hinges inside. So when I'm lifting it up, it's not hitting here no more, but inside, because of the hinges is bending, it makes a little noise. And I'm going to show you the other side. Because the other side, it was bending before hitting here, but it's not doing it no more. And the gap here is because this is the fender where it got hit, and we're okay with it. We're okay to live with it like this. We don't need a perfect car. We just need a drivable car. And I'm going to show you when I lift it up, it just makes a little noise over there. You heard the hood latch went in easy, so it's right. It's placed in the correct spot. And I just want to show you from back here. See how it is? It's almost the same color, just this one is like a darker gray and this is like a shiny gray. But it's okay with us. For what we pay for, we only pay $75 for this hood. And you're going to see, you're going to hear a little noise over there. See it? Because it's hitting right over there because of the hinges. See that? Well, it's pretty good. It's not looking bad. You know what? Let me make some adjustments on that to see if it works. I'll be back. So here you go, my friends. I found the solution of why the door was getting jammed to go up, and I don't have to probably change this hinges. What happened was that this thing right here, this clamp from the hinges, was hitting right in here because of the impact in the front. It looked like it pushed it in. So what I did was I took this long extension here. You probably don't want to do this. You can probably just use something else. And I used the hammer. And what I did was I pushed it in here. Right here. Let me just show you one time how I hit it. I hit it a few times right here. And you notice that this went in. So now you're going to see how the door goes in. I'm going to show you also on the other side. As you can see, I did the same thing over here. I hit it with the hammer and with that socket, and it went in, and you're gonna see how this hook goes down nice and smooth. Maybe a little little noise, but it's actually excellent just the way I want it. And I'm gonna show you right now how the hook closes. And you're gonna see right now how this hook closes really good. This is my first time doing something like this, so I'm excited. And you're gonna see once I bring it down how we got the hood down. See that? Now the hood is down. Just a little off right here, but once I clean it, you're gonna see how this looking. You're gonna see how this goes up. Easy, nice and lash, nice in the middle, falling good. Now, bam, we got a hood installed. So now all we gotta do is put our bumper and our grill, and this car is done. We'll shine the light. We'll do everything else that has to be done. But remember, if non-mechanic can do this, you can do it. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.